Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall apps on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. Now, to uninstall apps on Chromecast, you can go over to the app section and look at the apps. So this is a list of your apps. If you have an app you're not interested in, like Twitch, you could click on it and hold and then go to move, open, view details. Now if you click on view details, you see all of the information about this app, and you can have that uninstall button right there. If I use another example, let's say this app, File Manager Plus, press and hold on it and then come to view details. Again, you can see the app description and everything on the embedded Play Store. You click on install button here to install the app. I'll show you another method. You go to quick settings, go to all settings, and then head over to apps. From here, go to see your apps, and now you find a list of all the applications. So for instance, maybe this time you want to uninstall Plex. So just click on Plex, click on the uninstall button and click on OK. That will uninstall the app from the device. So just for instance, I've clicked on uninstall, OK, and there Plex is gone. So these are the methods you could use to uninstall apps from Chromecast. If that was useful, subscribe to the channel for content like this.